Calendula officinalis. This flower helps heal wounds. There are flowers in nature that are not only beautiful to look at, but also very valuable for human health. One of these plants is calendula. Many people see it growing in gardens or yards and think it is just a decorative flower. However, calendula has been considered an important medicinal plant in traditional medicine for centuries. Information about calendula dates back to ancient times. Historical sources say that physicians in ancient Rome and Greece used this flower to treat wounds. In those days, there were no pharmacies or modern medicines, so healers turned to nature. Ointments made from calendula flowers were applied to wounds, while herbal infusions were used to reduce skin inflammation. The healing properties of this flower are connected to its natural composition. Calendula contains natural compounds that can help reduce inflammation. These substances may support the regeneration of damaged skin cells. Because of this, calendula has traditionally been used for minor cuts, wounds, and various skin problems. In some traditional healing practices, an infusion made from calendula flowers was used to wash wounds. People believed that this helped clean the wound and reduce the risk of infection. Scientific studies have also mentioned that calendula contains natural compounds with antimicrobial properties. Even today, this plant has not been forgotten. Calendula extract is used in some ointments, creams, and cosmetic products. It is often added to products designed to soothe the skin, reduce dryness, and support the skin's natural recovery process. Calendula has not only been used in medicine, but also in food in some cultures. In certain countries, its petals have been added to salads. These petals not only give dishes a bright color, but are also considered rich in beneficial natural compounds. Calendula contains substances known as carotenoids. These compounds give the flower its bright yellow and deep orange color. Carotenoids are found in many plants and are known to be beneficial for the human body. Another interesting fact is that in some cultures, calendula is called the sunflower. This name comes from its bright color. The petals resemble the warm yellow and orange tones of sunlight. Calendula also has an interesting natural behavior. The flower usually opens in the morning and closes in the evening. In the past, some farmers even tried to predict the weather by observing this plant. If the calendula flowers did not open in the morning, people believed that rain might be coming. In nature, things that appear simple often have great value. Calendula is one of those plants. It may look like an ordinary garden flower, but in reality it has served people as a medicinal plant for centuries. That is why it is worth paying attention to the plants around us. Sometimes even the most ordinary flower may hide remarkable natural properties. The flower you see every day in a garden might actually be a plant that has helped people for generations. Calendula can also be grown easily at home. It is considered one of the easiest medicinal flowers to cultivate. Calendula loves sunlight, so it grows best in a sunny place or near a window that receives plenty of light. It does not require special soil, and ordinary garden soil is usually enough. The soil should be kept slightly moist, but too much water is not necessary. If its seeds are planted in soil, they usually begin to sprout within about 7 to 10 days. In many cases, the plant starts flowering after about 1.5 to 2 months. Another interesting fact is that calendula often spreads its own seeds naturally. Because of this, it may grow again the following year without needing to be planted again. For this reason, many people consider calendula a medicinal plant that can be easily grown both in gardens and in flower pots.